There are 5 of these kittens. In 22 years here, we have not fed a stray cat. Then this gray cat came around. She was so cute. Gray with white feet. I named her Mittens. And she had 5 babies. They are adorable. Oh my God. They live under the porch. They come in and out. We've started feeding them. But we're going to have a neighbor who eventually gets them fixed and either gets them homes or brings them back. One neighbor had 20 stray cats. 23 years ago, 25 years ago at our other house, we fed 2 stray cats and it cost us $1,000 to have them fixed. It was a mother and a son, but these are so cute. They came out and started eating for the first time yesterday. Now there's 5. There's 2 black, 1 striped, and 2 gray.